Hey folks, I'm trying out this Maximum 5/8 Rotary Hammer along with some of these Maxim Masonry SDS Plus Hammer chisel set. My plan is ripping out all this. I calculated less than a minute per tile. I got 180 tiles I gotta rip out because there's 9 different flooring colors in this house, so I just started with this. It took about maybe 4 minutes to do that area. They come out in nice big chunks. Look at that. Beautiful. Save a lot of time, so I'm thinking I can get this whole area done here in the next hour. 180 tiles at about a minute a piece. There's 3 hours. My guess is it'll probably be done sooner. So it's a really handy tool. I'll do a quick demo here. It's gonna be loud, so just put on your safety goggles. The dust is pretty minimal, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'll do this one right here. You can see it this one. The whole piece lifted up. If you look, the whole piece lifted right up. So it's gonna rip through that, and that took like 20 seconds. So really handy if you want to keep dust to a minimum, and you want some good solid strength. The Maximum one is doing a great job. I got it for everything here with tax, $260. I'm sure I could have got a better deal, but that beats renting it for $100 a day. So yeah, now I own it. All right, well, I'll show you some progress later. Thanks.
The pink tile, you can see there's a lot more thin set than over here. These were popping off like every, I don't know, 20 seconds. This has been a bit more labor intensive depending how much thin set is on there. So I've been doing about 3 tiles now in 5 minutes. This is the area. I'm just finishing up this, and then we should be good. But I anticipate this amount, probably maybe two hours now. It wasn't as fast as this, but you can see the progress. I ripped through that yesterday in like 2 hours. So yeah, I'll keep showing you the progress. Thanks for watching.